Hey guys, of course we're back again. Today what I have is a busted guard lock that I found on the side of the highway. Somebody has cut it and it sat and rusted for quite some time on the side of the road till I found it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock it like this, and of course you can turn this and it'll just pop out. But when we unlock it, this guy will still pop up into its position. So just for fun, I'm going to stick it in there anyways. I've got a pretty standard looking keyway. I don't know the name of it. Sorry. I'm not really, I don't have a lot of knowledge on the types of keyways in a lot of locks. So we're just going to go and clamp him up in the vise so he doesn't wiggle around on us. And I am going to be using top of the keyway tension with my fat serrated pick, or fat serrated tension wrench, and the steep Sparrows hook, steep hook from Sparrows. Now guys, I have picked this quite a few times, or I've tried to pick it quite a few times. I've been messing around with it for quite some time, and it's actually been pretty frustrating. There are spool pins in here. And I think because it's so rusted up, so, sat on the side of the highway and gunk and got all the dust from every car driving by for a couple 100 miles, that it's just, it's really resistant. I've actually had some trouble getting it open a few times. But hopefully I can do it for you guys in a reasonable amount of time right now without snapping my pick. And I tell you, this third pin just wants to be set over and over. There we go. Okay. So I'll try and hold that steady. Turn this. Well, that was exciting. Okay, guys. Sorry that took so long. That is the guard lock from the side of the highway. And I might just lock this back up and take it into the garage and weld that shackle together. See if I can't get a half decent working lock again. Anyways, guys, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed that. And yeah. always keep it legal, have fun, subscribe, and we will see you next time.